The new super light attack plane will soon strengthen the U.S. Air Force Special Operations Command. The 137th Special Operations Wing of the Oklahoma Air National Guard has recently received its first AT-802U Sky Warden light attack plane at Will Rogers International Airport in Oklahoma City and is beginning training for the OA-1K Sky Warden model. This marks a significant milestone for the U.S. Air Force Special Operations Command's light attack program. The 137th Special Operations Wing, already the formal training unit for the MC-12W Liberty, is now set to become the formal training unit for the OA-1K as well. With the U-28A planned for retirement or supplementation, the 137th is expected to operate 2 airframes for now. The OA-1K, a variant of the AT-802U, was awarded the Special Operations Command's Armed Overwatch contract in 2022, beating out other competitors like the AT-6 Wolverine, A-29 Super Tucano, and M-28B-1R Bryza. The contract provided AFSOC with a small airframe for close air support, strike, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. It's worth mentioning that the AT-802U is currently operated by several governments globally, including Croatia, Egypt, and Jordan. However, the United States will be the only operator of the OA-1K model for the time being. Initially, the Air Force had plans to purchase 75 of these aircraft, but has scaled back their plans in recent years. The Sky Warden is a light attack, multi-mission, rugged, and versatile aircraft designed to tackle a wide range of security challenges. It offers the best endurance and payload capacity in its class. One of the critical features of the Sky Warden is its austere field and endurance capability. This means it can operate in challenging environments and stay in the air for extended periods. The Sky Warden has 8 wing hardpoints and 2 centerline hardpoints for carrying various weapons. The innermost wing station is optimized for guns ranging from .50 caliber to 20 millimeters. The aircraft is powered by the Pratt & Whitney PT6A 67F turboprop engine and features a titanium dome 5-blade propeller. It has a tandem seat cockpit with dual flight controls, power, and instruments. Other features include structural external store locations on the wing and centerline, fuel tanks, 380 gallons in the wings and 360 gallons in the fuselage, a self-sealing fuel system, cockpit and engine armor, and lightning protection. The Sky Warden also comes equipped with advanced avionics, minimum VFR flight instruments, an emergency locator transmitter, and a 2-place diluter extended demand oxygen system. The Sky Warden has an uninstalled takeoff shaft horsepower of 1,600 at 40.3 degrees Celsius and 1,700 RPM. The maximum continuous shaft horsepower is 1,600 at 27.5 degrees Celsius and 1,700 RPM. The aircraft's propeller, made of aluminum and measuring 118 inches in diameter, has a ground clearance of 39 inches. The Sky Warden has a gross weight of 16,000 pounds for landing and takeoff. The empty weight, with armor but no weapons, is 7,836 pounds. The valuable load with ballistic armor is 8,164 pounds. The wings of the Sky Warden can hold up to 1,438 liters of fuel, while the fuselage can hold an additional 1,363 liters of fuel. The maximum speed of the Sky Warden, without any weapons at 10,000 feet, is 213 knots. The patrolling speed at the same altitude is 180 knots, consuming 268 liters of fuel per hour. The stall speed of the Sky Warden, with flaps down and at its maximum gross weight, is 91 knots. At a lower weight of 12,500 pounds, the stall speed is 70 knots. Regarding range, with auxiliary fuselage fuel and economy cruise at 8,000 feet, the Sky Warden can travel up to 1,303 nautical miles. This development signifies a significant step forward for the Oklahoma Air National Guard and the U.S. Air Force Special Operations Command's Light Attack Program. The training for the OA-1K Sky Warden is expected to enhance the Air National Guard's capabilities in conducting critical missions effectively and efficiently. In addition, as the Oklahoma Air National Guard begins training for the OA-1K Sky Warden, we look forward to seeing this new aircraft's capabilities unfold.